Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Cash App Investing, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To log into Cash App Investing, first, ensure you have the Cash App installed on your device. Open the Cash App by tapping its icon. On the home screen, locate the Investment tab, usually marked with a graph icon. Tap on the Investment tab to access investment options. Next, select the Login button if it appears. Enter the phone number or email address associated with your Cash App account. Tap Send Code to receive a verification code via text or email. Check your messages for the verification code. Once received, enter the code in the designated field on the app. Tap Confirm to proceed with the login process. If prompted, enter your Cash App PIN for added security. After successful verification, you will have access to your Cash App investing features. Explore your investment options and tools displayed on the screen. Feel free to review your portfolio and performance metrics. If you encounter any issues, double-check your login credentials. For further assistance, consider visiting the Cash App support page. Now you are ready to start investing with Cash App. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.